Ever wondered how your soothing cup of chamomile or invigorating mint tea starts its journey? Today, we dive into the world of medicinal herbs for infusions. Imagine the delight of growing your own healing garden. Ready to transform your garden into a source of health and wellness? Let's get started. First things first, you need to decide which herbs you'd like to grow. Consider factors such as your local climate, soil conditions, and your personal taste. Popular infusion choices include soothing chamomile, refreshing mint, and aromatic lavender. Once you've chosen your herbs, it's time to get your hands dirty. Now that you've chosen your herbs, it's time to plant them. Start by preparing the soil. It should be loose, well-drained, and rich in organic matter. Next, plant your seeds or seedlings, ensuring they're at the correct depth for their species. Finally, give them a gentle watering. Remember, each herb is unique and may require specific care. Be sure to follow the instructions for each one. With your herbs safely in the ground, it's time to nurture them to maturity. Growing herbs isn't just about planting them, it's also about caring for them. Each herb has its own unique needs, but in general, they need regular watering, weeding, and pest control. Some herbs prefer a good soak, while others like to be spritzed lightly. Weeding keeps your herbs healthy, removing competition for resources. And don't forget pest control. Some herbs may attract little critters, but don't worry, most herbs are pretty hardy and easy to grow. With regular care, your herbs will thrive and be ready for harvest. The moment you've been waiting for is here. It's time to harvest and use your herbs. Recognize their readiness by vibrant colors and potent aroma. Cut gently, never more than a third of the plant. Dry or steep fresh for a soothing infusion. Now you can enjoy the fruits of your labor, a delicious homegrown herbal infusion. Growing your own medicinal herbs for infusions is a rewarding experience. From choosing the right herbs to reaping their benefits, every step is a journey. Remember, you can always experiment with different herbs and blends. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.